Welcome back to Fox Engineering. Today we're going to test my siren system, the one that I did like a video or two ago. So, I set this up by using basically the siren system, and also I changed out this wire for a longer one so it could reach all the way to here. Now today is test day. I make every Saturday the test day now, so Saturdays are test days. Interesting. Anyways, so we're about to test this. So I'm gonna set up the phone here so you can get a good look at this. Alright, you're ready. So that's today's video. Yeah, it's short, but it's a siren. It was test day. Also, I'll tell you how I wired this up. As you can tell, the wire ain't going right here. So there's a hole for an umbrella, and there's this pot. So I decided to put the wire like under this pot because it makes it look nicer and it's way more waterproof that way. Also, I'll put this over just to protect the siren. And I'm pretty sure that siren's waterproof, but, you know, better safe than sorry. There's a frog on it. Look, I got limited materials here, okay? Well, yeah, that was today's test day. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.